Hello everybody, my name is Sangeeta Rajesh. I am your facilitator and I am going to conduct a course whose name is Maha Vidya, especially in Akashic. So when we do any course in Akashic field, it increases the power. That too, this kind of course, which is the most potent and most powerful, it's the most easiest course to connect with the energy field of Shakti. So what is Mahavidya? Mahavidya comes in the combination of 10 different rupas of Ma Durga. The first combination is Ma Kali and Ma Tara, the most fearful and aggressive, and to remove all kinds of black magics, we invoke to Ma Kali. At the same time, the Ma Tara is all about Soumya Roop. So always this combination goes with the most fearful rupa of Ma and the most Soumya rupa of Ma again. So that's why this course becomes much more interesting. And the second combination is Ma Tripura Sundari, the most beautiful goddess in the entire universe is Ma Tripura Sundari, and along with Ma Bhavaneshwari. She is the mother goddess of earth. She will bless you with all kinds of material aspect. The third combination is Chinnamasta and Ma Bhairavi. Chinnamasta is a fearful combination of Ma who removes all kind of negativity from your life in a very different level. And then Ma Bhairavi is again will infuse you with love. Right, and Ma Bagalamukhi and Ma Dhumavathi is the fourth combination. Ma Bagalamukhi, we all know, she takes care of all kinds of legal activities, court cases. If you want to, control your enemies, then she is the one who we invoke, Ma Bagalamukhi. And Dhumavathi is a very different god for which you have to be present with the Guru. Without your Guru, you can't invoke to Ma Dhumavathi. Okay, and Ma Kamala and Ma Matangi. Ma Kamala is the Mahalakshmi avatar, and Ma Matangi is the Prime Minister of the universe. So all these 10 avatars of Ma is going to be a very powerful course. So join me, join in this course with me, where I will be increasing your powerful intuitive power, your healing power. You will be healed. So let's enjoy this entire course. Thank you.